Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have this automatic drip system. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first something is you need to know. Alright, so first of all, what it comes with these drip spikes, which is what they drip off of. It comes with all the tubing. It comes with this filter that goes into a bucket that pulls the water into the plants, as well as a little hanger that you can hang this on the bucket from, as well as a charging cable. It also comes with all the connectors. Okay, how this thing works, guys, is the tubes connect to these spikes, and then there's a little notch right here where the water goes through the spike and then down into the ground, and it goes, you can put these deeper into the ground or you can go higher up in the ground, and that's how the water gets down into the dirt and gets the roots. Now, this in my experience has been very, very, very efficient, and where the water's not only going where the spike is, it'll spread out across the whole entire dirt, but it is nice that it concentrates in that one spot first. So you can put this right in the roots where you want it, but it'll also water the rest of the pot as well. So if you're worried about plants on the edge of the pot not getting enough water, this is going to do a good job of getting the whole entire pot, but especially the spot where you put it. Because as far as the control unit and the pump, it's super easy to use. Basically, guys, how it works is you put one tube on the end, that's going to go into a bucket, that's going to suck water into the unit, and then it's going to pump this out to all your plants. All right, so this unit can water up to 15 different stakes. So you could put 15 different stakes in 15 different pots, or you could do 3 stakes in 5 pots. Or you could do, 2 in one and 1 in the rest. So you need to be careful because you don't want to overwater your plants and overfill them. So it is kind of nice you can customize that. So if you have one plant, for example, that needs more water than the other one, maybe it's in a bigger bucket that can handle more water, then you could put 2 of those stakes in that one pot. And then maybe the next one doesn't need as much water, you could put 1 stake in that one. I would be a little bit careful because, if you run this for 10 minutes, it's going to give that one double the water as the one that gets 1 stake, and so forth. Make sure those pots are big enough that they're not going to overflow with water, for example. But it is super nice that you can kind of customize it that way. I have one of these outside on my outside plants. On those ones, I have 3 in each of those pots, but it's outside, so it doesn't matter if they overflow. On the inside ones, I just have 1 in each of them, but it is cool that you can customize it. As far as the unit goes, guys, there's 2 ways this can be controlled. One is through the humidity mode, and if that is the mode you're using, you put this in your plant. When the dirt gets dry enough, this will trigger this to turn on, and then it'll water them. I would probably use this if you have the same kind of dirt in each one of your pots, and maybe it's a similar kind of plant. Otherwise, I'd probably use the timer. Now, how the timer works, guys, is it's super easy to use and it's super easy to control. Okay, I'm going to try to show you how to set this up real quick, and it's this simple. I can show you in about 1.5 minutes or less. Basically, you're going to set the clock. Okay, for example, 6:26 here. Okay, clock is set. Now you're going to tell what time you want the watering to start. In my case, I'm going to say 7 a.m. So I'm going to hit OK, 7 a.m. It's going to ask me how long I want to water. I'm going to say I want to water for 1 minute. And then I'm going to say how often do you want to water, which is the interval. So basically what that means is if you set it for 1 hour, every hour it would turn on for 1 minute. Obviously we don't want that, so we're going to set that to, for houseplants, I'm going to set this for every 5 days. Hit OK, and now we're all set up. Every 5 days at 7 a.m., this is going to start watering. It's going to water for 1 minute. You can set that for longer. You can set it for shorter. You can set it for whatever your plants require, okay? On my outside plants, I have one of these that has a solar panel on it. That one waters every 8 hours for like 10 minutes each time. Because they're outside plants, they take a lot more water, and they just drain right onto the cement, so no worry about overflowing these. On the indoor plants, you want to be a little more careful because you don't want to overflow your plants, and you don't need to water as often. As far as this one, on the ones on my indoor one, this might not be as applicable to the one that's outside. However, you can set this from watering anywhere from 10 seconds all the way up to 29 minutes. Okay, the intervals go anywhere from 1 hour. I think it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, all the way up from 1 day to 7 days. And then, of course, the clock and the watering time, you can set it to water anytime you want. Even on the indoor one, guys, you could set it to the interval every 12 hours, which would mean that at 7 a.m. it would turn on for 1 minute, and then 12 hours later at 7 p.m. it would also turn on for 1 minute. You can set that 1 minute to 5, 10 minutes, whatever you want to set it to. I'm just giving an example so you know how this works. Another thing this is really nice for is if you go on vacation or something like that, instead of having to ask a friend or a neighbor or someone that you know to have to come over and water your plants for you and sit there with a water bucket or whatever and water all your plants for you, you can just tell them, hey, can you just fill that water bucket up for me real quick? And now you're set. It's a lot more convenient to have to ask someone someone to do that. Or you could even change the interval, or you could get a larger bucket, and then that might last the whole time you're gone. And you wouldn't even have to ask anybody to do anything at all. Who knows? But super nice. I keep calling this one the indoor one and that one the outdoor one. That's not necessarily the case. This one will also work outdoors. The only difference is this one does not come with the solar panel. So you would just have to charge this one every once in a while instead of having it plugged into a solar panel. Because my favorite thing about this just has to be the fact that you can set this up and it just automates everything for you. Because I'm sure this has happened to you. It's happened to me a bunch of times where you get a new house plant and you get all excited about it. You set it up on your where you keep your house plants, and everything's going well. You're watering them, once or twice a week or whatever you need to water them for. But then life happens and you get busy, and suddenly you realize it's been 3 weeks and you haven't watered the plants. And you go over to them and they're starting to look wilty and they're not healthy, and you're like, oh man. And then you get really back into it again, and you get really good about watering those twice a week or at least once a week, and your plants start looking healthy again. But the same thing happens, and that cycle continues. With this thing, you just have to fill a little bucket of water, make sure that it has enough water to water these things. And because it's only watering probably not super often because they're house plants inside, you might only have to fill that bucket once every 2 weeks, and everything is so much easier. You walk past your plants and they're always healthy, they're always happy. And if they're not, you can turn this up a little bit. If you're watering them too much, you can turn them down a little bit, and then just watch how it goes. And there's no need to sit there with a water cup or a water bucket watering each of your plants every single time, because this is doing all of them automatically and super conveniently. And that's my favorite thing about this, guys. It just takes all that worry off of everything. My plants are so much healthier than they were before. This is just so consistent. It's so programmable, customizable, easy to use, and it just lasts for 30 days on the battery. If you have a big enough bucket to last 30 days, that's awesome. But guys, this thing's just awesome. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.